Okay, and we are recording. So I'm going to talk briefly on Wordswag. So Wordswag is an app that does these really cool fancy text overlays, and it saves you a lot of time. You don't need to do anything from your desktop. You don't need to go into your computer or anything like that. You could either import photos from your camera. You could take a photo in real time if you want. That is my floor in a water bottle. How do I get out of here? Okay. Or we could use their stock images, which they provide. They integrate with Pixabay, which is a great stock image site. These are all copyright free and pretty awesome. So many different niches. You could just type in, if you're in real estate, you could type in house or mansion or whatever, and it's going to give you a lot of options, and then you could do a text overlay. I'm just going to do a B2B one. I'll do a motivation one. Business. I could probably get more creative with my keywords. I mean, you could do really anything. I'm going generic right here. This is very basic. Also, going back here, there are different. You do things optimized for Instagram stories. Square is perfect for Instagram. It works well on Facebook as well. It also works. I post Square on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and oh yeah, those are all the ones I cover. But obviously, there's Pinterest. There's so many different formats. I do Square, and then I just use it on all the platforms. Double tap that to get different text. Now, there are built-in texts and phrases with different themes, or you could type your own. If you have something to say, if you have a special or a promotion, or if you're doing a personal brand. What I like to do with people who are personal brands or influencers is I'll take an image of them, and I will actually take some of the key phrases they've said, and then I do a text overlay with that. But since we're just doing business generic, we'll do stay hungry or get hyped are pretty good. Get hyped also works a lot for fitness. So let's go. Good enough. Okay, so now we have the text. We could change the different color of the text if we want, different formats if you want, and there's so many different styles to choose from. Another thing too is you could darken the image. So it's really up to your preference personally. I'm not a graphic designer. And then you hit these little dice, or you could choose different layouts of that style. So that's kind of cool. We're gonna go with that. Save. All right, you could share it. You could also add a logo. And that's how you create word, image, text. So I have it here, and then I normally just airdrop them to my computer later on. And that's that. Okie dokie. Thanks for watching.